Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. New and latest idea and design style for girls and women's handbag style, like different and beautiful embroidered look and colorful, charming with a different stitch pattern with vibrant color for a trendy, eye-catching look. Combine different stitches, French and beads for a home-inspired design. Transition between shadows of a single color for a subtle and stylish gradient effect. And crochet a lacy overlay on top of a solid base for an elegant and delicate appearance. Textured Toto experiment with textured stitches like popcorn bubble or gable stitches to create a usually appealing texture. And latest colorful ideas. Remember, the choice of yarn and color palette can influence the overall style of your handbags. Do not be afraid to mix and match different elements to create a unique and stylish crocheted handbags that suit your personal taste. So I hope you liked it. Here are some creative crocheted handbags ideas to inspire your next project. Crochet skulls in shimmery yarn to create a magical mermaid inspired handbags. Patchwork bag combine different crochet squares, each with a unique pattern or color to create a patchwork style handbags. So guys, I hope you like it. So guys, please